Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about eye care with eyesight improvement courses that can lead to better vision. Probably you know that your eyes are one of the most important organs in your body. They allow you to see the world, communicate with others, and enjoy life. Unfortunately, many people suffer from poor eyesight due to various factors, such as a lot of screen time without breaks. Some of the common vision problems are nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism, and dry eyes. If you are one of those people who struggle with poor eyesight, you might be wondering if there is anything you can do to improve your vision without relying on glasses or surgery. I have a good news for you. Yes, you can. There are many ways to take care of your eyes and prevent or reverse common vision problems. And the best part is that you can do it naturally without any side effects or risk, such as red eyes till the end of life after surgery, or even more serious problems. One of the ways to improve your eyesight naturally is to learn from people who have done extensive practice on eye health and vision improvement. Many books and articles can teach you how to improve your eyesight naturally using various methods such as nutrition, herbs, homeopathy, Asian therapies, eye exercises, techniques, and strategies. For example, I read 3 books and passed 4 eyesight improvement courses until found out what was needed to eliminate accommodative spasms. In this video, I'm going to introduce you eye training course Eyesight Academy, a link in the description below. Any eye care without eye exercises and relaxation most probably will not gonna work. Same as only food for eyes, herbs, homeopathy and blueberries. How you can make eye muscles flexible with herbs? Or blueberries not gonna rebuild the ability of the eyes to accommodate and focus? Or to cut your eyes with the surgery and after a few years to increase spasms and get low vision again, but already nothing to cut anymore. Here's a better way of eye care and vision improvement. You can apply to your daily life clear vision habits to enhance your vision. For example, blink every second when using the screen, or to use phone 1 minute and give your eyes 1 minute rest. Doing light stretching eye exercises with just 1 repetition, it takes less than a minute. Light stretching eye exercises video on my channel. These are just some of the tips that you can find in the eye training course Eyesight Academy that can help you learn more about how to improve your eyesight naturally. I hope you find them useful and informative. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.